I challenge you to find what's wrong with this code. You've got 30 seconds before the solution and your time starts now. Alright, leave a comment if you find it and if you did, how long it took you. When you come back to this challenge in a few months, you will be able to check your progress. The ID is supposed to be unique, but this calculation will generate duplicates. For example, the ID will be 3 in at least 4 cases. 0 plus 3 equals 3, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 plus 0 equals 3. A very simple way to fix the problem is to build your ID as a string like this. Most importantly, don't forget to add the separator between the two values, otherwise you will run into the same problem again. If your project is a bit more advanced, I recommend using system.guid instead. Stay sharp and subscribe to get notified of the next challenge.